Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be preparing veg biryani. So here I have taken some biryani rice and some diced potatoes, and I had kept it to boil until they were 80% done. And here I have taken some vegetables and diced it. Then I have strained my rice and taken a pan, heated up some oil, and I have put star anise, cardamom, cumin seeds and then curry leaves, and I sauteed it for some time, and I'm doing it on induction on 1300 degrees centigrade on pressure cooker. Then I have added some chopped onions and I'll saute it for some time, and then I'm adding the chopped capsicum and the cauliflower, and I make sure that all the vegetables are cooked on the medium flame, that is 1300 degrees centigrade for me on my induction. And I saute it well, add some salt and then some diced tomatoes. You can add more vegetables of your choice, and I allow the vegetables to be cooked on its own, and I close the lid for about 2 minutes, and then I uncover that, put some turmeric powder here. I do then mix, put on the lid again, lower the temperature a bit, cook my vegetables, and now that I feel that my vegetables are almost done, I put my boiled potatoes, which are 80% is done, and then I add my basic masalas, which include the chicken masala, the garam masala and the Szechuan fried rice masala. I cook everything well, bring everything together. Now it was time that I needed to add my rice. I check my vegetables, they are almost done, and then I take my rice and I spread it over my vegetables. I put all my rice over the vegetables, and the rice was cooked good. You can see how the grains are apart from each other, and to add some more flavor I add some more fried rice masala on the top of the rice, and I add some water too, which I have forgot to add the clip, but you add some water and then some salt, and then put back the lid, allow the rice to cook for some time, and then you uncover it and mix everything well. I am doing in this video, and by doing this I am making sure that everything is evenly spread. Then I press gently all my ingredients onto the pan and put on the lid for last few minutes, and then see how beautifully the water has dried up, the rice is cooked, and everything comes together. The beautiful yummy veg biryani is now ready to be served hot. I hope this video was helpful. If you ever make it, do let me know in the comment section. Catch you in the next vlog. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.